then only you will get that time itself all the answer. So array. So yeah, so duplicate data. So array will contain all type of data, whether duplicate or unique, that's not the matter. But our client what want? Unique data. So we will go with which one? Unique data will contain only which one? Set or map. But the problem is that with set or map, set will contain all the unique data, but map it will also contain. But what will be unique in the case of map? What format they will follow? In the case of map, what format it will follow?
Multiple array.
Yeah, so it will contain data, multiple array, but in which format they are storing the data? Map operate means inside the map, in which format? Can value, correct or not? But in the case of set, it is storing all the data like a array type itself, but it will contain only which one? Unique data. Okay, and you have duplicate record. What you will do? You will iterate through the loop. You will use which loop? For loop or while loop, means mostly we going with the for loop. So we will go with the for loop. We will take all the data from the database and pass it to which one? Pass to set. Why we passing to set? We want all the unique record, and after that we want the length of the data. So how to get the length of the data inside the set? How to get?
Using size.
So with the help of size. See, already be means say be going class in the morning. So please just speak fast. Then only we will wait for the response. Otherwise, I will move. I will tell answer. Yeah. So unique data is there stored in the set, and we want the length of the data. Means how much records is there? Total record. Okay. So we will go with which one? Size. Okay. With the help of size, we will get. But same time, if you want not the unique value, we want a unique key. So which one we will go? We will go with the map operator. Sorry, not operator. That is method actually. So
Map
we
method.
will go with the map, because map operator means the array one. Array also having method, means it getting confusion type that whether operator or math this that. Let it to be, that's not an issue. So with the map, so with the map, what we will get? We will get unique key. Correct. So whenever requirement of like this, that is unique data, you will move with the set one. Okay. Then when you want the unique key, you will move with this one. But when I not want anything like that, no need of unique or this, that I want all the data, raw data itself. What you will do? You will contain the array. So if data is coming inside that, otherwise, see, maybe you will think that why not we will go in the database and delete the duplicate record. This not possible. Suppose today you getting just 5 records are there, and tomorrow you got 500 record. Is it means is it possible to delete the data record? Because per day you not going to open the database and you will do the activity. What you will do? You will think regarding the simplicity, and simplicity will possible with the help of UI part. Correct. So whatever data we getting on UI, we can manipulate and we can delete that. Means, but we not going to delete, filter out, automatic the for loop will take care of that one, and in the set it will pass, and with the help of that we can go with the next step. So that time we have to think these all. Now regular expression, what are you getting from the term regular expression? Suppose, any idea regarding the regular expression? No idea. Fine. Input type equal to, suppose you have to make one search bar like in Google or anywhere we are making, that means we are searching something. So if you have to make something like a searching type, means search for the searching purpose, how you will make? Any idea? Means in many website you will see that search bar is there, or otherwise if you're doing control F, what is this? Search came finding. If you searching A, let's see how much record means how much record you got. Let's say remove this small a, put capital A. What happened? We got that all the record, means the same record it's showing. And what it doing? It is searching the record. Okay. From where the searching the record? From all our database or a record, whatever you can tell. From there, it's searching the whatever we want, that one. Okay, so with the help of regular expression, what it will do, it will help us in searching that irrespective of means case type, globally, or wherever you want, how to search this, that, all the things. With the help of regular expression, we are doing that. So that's why regular expression is too important, you can tell. Okay, so let's see. A regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Okay, so search pattern can be used to text search, text replace operation, or anything. Where we are using text replace. So see, when we doing Control F, it giving the record. Okay, but here itself, you will get for the replacing purpose also. Suppose you searched A, you got that A, and I want to replace with something F. You can go with that replace all or replace one by one or like that. Okay, so this type, what we are doing, we are searching and replacing. Other thing also we can do with the help of that. So regular expression, sequence of character, that's fine. So how we are writing the regular expression? So see, as like what is this one, W3 schools. Okay, and here we had added I. So here the sentence is this one, syntax. This is your syntax, means you have to write first pattern, and one thing, see, pattern will be inside the slash. Okay, forward or backward, whatever is there, forward slash, and after that means pattern will be inside the slash, and after that modifiers, whatever modifier you want. So this thing, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, hello. Okay, so how we will write the regular expression? We will pass the pattern and we will pass the modifier. So let's see, if we written W3 school. Hello. Okay, so if we want to search, suppose W3 school is written there and I want to search, let's say pass W3 school. So what is written there? Inside this, we had written the text, whatever is there, that is pattern. and after that modifier. What means I? Let it to be, but we will see that. So this type we have to pass the data. Okay. So go through the examples. So W3 schools, this is written is and slash I, this is a regular expression, and W3 school is a pattern. Okay, and to be used in the search, and I is the modifier, modifies the search to be case insensitive. Okay, so I is the modifier, it will search, or whatever output means whatever operation we will do, it will search or it will do the operation without depending on the case, whether a small case or uppercase, lowercase or uppercase, it's not the matter. Okay. Second, using the search string method. So in JavaScript, regular expressions are often used the two string methods, that is search and replace. So see where we are using this one. When we are doing control F, search is there, means find is there, and second is the replace with. Okay, so search and replace. So this one we are mostly we are using that. So next, search method uses an expression to search for the matching and return the position of the match. What it will return? It will return the position one. Already we had seen this one. Where we had seen this search one? Which means which method is this one? We had looked in somewhere or not? So in array, I think, or a string where? Then replace was there. This was a string method. See, using the string method. So we had seen this one in the string. Already we had discussed that. With the help of search, we can search and replace. It will go to replace that one. Okay. Now using the search method and in the string, let's see. Copy this line. Let's see what is this. So what we are doing now? We are doing text, means we have that text that is complete data. You can tell the record, and after that text dot search. It going to search. Which one it will search? It will search for the W3 schools. Okay, and let's see what it is returning. So here we had not written any regular expression or anything. This is just a simple string one. And let's see what it given. So it what output will come? Any idea? It will give the position. Go inside, search the data. It given the position. Which position it's given? Let's see. V is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, from the sixth position, it started. So it given the starting position from sixth one. Okay. So this is the, by this way, what we had done, we had searched. We had not done any regular expression task. Just wait. It given that. Now come with the regular expression. What we want? We want using the string search with a regular expression method. Okay. Let's try it yourself. So how to modify this one with the regular expression? So what we had seen that pattern is there, and after that modifiers is there. So what is the pattern? Pattern is W3 school, and what is modifier? I want in case sensitive, means first we have to add here slash, and last also we have to add slash, and after that pass I. So you can write now itself that I, if I we had written, that is case insensitive for that purpose. Okay, so for case insensitive we will use which one? So I. Whether you working with Java, Python, .NET, any language, this regular expression will be common for all. Okay, so I will be case insensitive. If you had got some requirement that user will search their name in the record, but it not matter whether he had entered a capital A or small letter A, it's not the matter. So in that scenario, you will pass all that search means all the data with the I value. So you will get that. Fine. So next, yeah. So text dot search. What we had done? We had written W3 schools. Let's see in the console what output we are getting. We got a sixth position. Okay. Now do one thing. In place of W3 school, let's modify. Take the data from the user's end. Okay. So now tell me how to take data from the user end, and I want the modification here. How to do? Not a speak, no issue. I will write data.
By using prompts, sir.
Yeah, user data. So user data equal to, and be going to take the record from the user end. Okay. Don't take user, wait. Go through our search one. We had make that one field, this one, and make one function. Then only otherwise you can do one thing. Normally what we are doing, as we had passed that search one data, suppose this one itself, control F, as you passing one, automatic you getting the result. Which event it will work? Means if you passed A, automatic we got all the record. Which event? How to get this type of searching? Means no need for searching. I want just to show the alert. Once you enter the something there, automatic you have to get that. How to get? How to get that? Means I want to just show alert or console. Means in the console you have to print something. Just simple. How to get that? Means how I will create that type. Any idea? Tell me. No idea. That's also fine. But don't be silent. No idea? Okay. That's cool. That's great. I was expecting same thing. Okay, fine. So here, this is the noise. So Dharminder, RESSION, sorry, expression, not enter data. See, that's why I telling use mind. That's it. But everybody silent. Enter data. Okay. Now see what will happen. How we will make that. So enter data we had written. After that, what we will write? Just write break. We got the on the UI. What I told, I want to print just a hello in the console. But when we are start writing and once you came out, that time it have to print a hello. That's it. So how to do that? Make one function. funct, make one function. SEARCH search RECORD search record or something. No issue. What I want to print a hello. That's it. So HELLO, hello. Now tell me when you will print this. How to call this one? That also no idea.
Using on change property, sir.
So event change property.
Yeah. So first save, we got a hello. But I not want a hello to be print now. I want to print once you entered in this one and you start writing something, and after that. So copy this function call. I not want here. And come to our HTML page. And where is the input field? Input field is this one. Okay. Once we start writing here, okay, and once you had changed that tab, means once you press the tab, automatic this will trigger. This have to call. So previously we was using click event, means on click. On click will work only when you will click that. But I not want on click. I want to when you changing the tab, means when you lefting the input, or otherwise when you pressing the key up, means once you pressing the key, lefting the key, that time itself. Then you can go with different event. If you pressing on, you will get all the list of the event. There are many lists, and I had given that some important list to practice, but let it to be. Okay, so what I want to change. You can go with the on change also. Fine. Let's go on change, and we will pass the function call here.
Function name.
Yeah. So this. So we will pass here function name. Fine. Let's see what will happen now. Now our data, that's a hello is not coming, but once you start writing anything, you put the cursor outside, automatic you got the data. Fine. But I not want like this also. I want that once you pressing the key of your mouse, means keyboard, that time, then which event will work? That will be
Key of search, I
yeah.
think.
So key up, key
One.
down, okay, this one, or key press, anything. Let's see. Means those all event means a keyboard event will work. See, when I start typing itself, it coming the value. Okay. So if as per requirement, you have to go through the event. So I want suppose that key press. What be done? We had a stored means we had passed the data. Means we had passed the whatever output is there inside the this one. Now I not want like this. What I want to search. So copy this one, pass inside the function. Okay, and there is the mistake. Somewhere it's showing error. Okay, user data. Okay, fine. Let it to be. Search.
So in text dot search that bracket, I think that is
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah. No issue. That one. We will do that. Just 1 second. Yeah, this one is wrong actually. We had not modified it there. We will modify. Okay. So what we want? We want that data from the user end. Okay. Means so how to take the search whatever user is entering in the input. See, you have to do all the things step by step. Do one thing. Let it to be. Remove this completely. Write just console. Now I want to print in the console whatever user will enter in that input field. This is not a nothing search in search field or this that. Okay, this is just normal input field. Input field itself we are going to modify. So whatever user will enter, I want to capture the record data. How we will get whatever user is capturing. So how we will get that?
Using
Yeah.
value
Okay.
property, sir.
So check that document dot get element by
Element.
id, and what is the id name? Id name is not there anything. Let's see. So id and equal to just take data in input data. Okay, and this input data, and after that what we will do? Demo. Sorry, here we will pass that document dot get element by id dot what value?
Value.
value value. Next,
Yes, sir.
equal to
Next,
anything.
sir, store. No, sir, store in
So
variable,
we
sir.
okay, we have to store in the variable. So let user data equal to. Fine. So user data will give now the value, whatever value you get going to pass inside the search one. So right inside the console. Let's see be getting or not. So what error is there or anything? Let's see. So what happened? We getting the data, whatever user is entering. Correct? Because we had added event that is key press. So once your key getting press, automatic you be getting the data in the console. Okay, so this working fine. What I want to search some record. I start searching something, and that I want as a output. Means my data is this one, W3 school. यार गाना बजाता है. Okay, so I want this one. Fine. And means whatever data we are getting now, we want to search that. So this is my database. You can imagine like that. This is your record, and in this record you have to search. that A, B, C, D, whatever is there. Okay. So what we will do, we will start matching the data. Matching in the sense with the help of regular expression. We go not to, you can tell that regular expression. This is just a string method. Okay. So what we will do, who have this? Okay. So text is that means a data dot a string method. So which one? Search. And after that, what you want to search inside here? 1 second. Okay. So how to search? Text is the complete data, and inside this, I want to search something. Suppose that I want to search A. Okay. I want to search A. We will get any error or we will get output. In this case, if we will search A, what are you thinking?
No output.
Let result result equal to. Okay, this is my variable. Just wait. Now go to the console again. Console.log. Sorry. And result. Okay. Okay. Tell me one thing. What output we will get here? We will get this one or
No
not?
output, sir.
No output.
So we
Let's
will
say.
get the user data.
Let's comment that user data.
We will
Think
search
regarding these two
for
lines. We will not get what you're telling.
it will search A in the
Yeah.
text.
So it will search A in the visit W3 schools. Let's see. We not got output, but we have to change that 1 second. Event is there actually. So we got -1 because record not found. And which record?
Sir,
It's
we have
searching
to
for the.
search user data, na?
Yeah,
Because
yeah. We will come on that point. Just 1 second. So we are searching just a hard coded value now. Just go through 3. What output we will get? Let's see. So we got where on the 7th position. Correct. Means 3 is available on the 7th position. But I not want to search this thing hard coded. Because suppose when you going this page and if you have to search A, suppose that anything, A, B, anything, what you will do? You will pass your data here. Suppose we had written W. Okay. So we are passing that value. So same type we going to create and we going to pass data from our end. Our end in the sense user record means user data. So that's why we had captured the value of the input field. And let's say pass that one. Correct. And now we going to search for the result value. Now see, it will give output whatever B will search. Okay, let's search for A. We got a 0 anywhere that's available. Any mistake? 2. 1 second. It's given 0. Why it giving 0? I think it converted something.
Sir, storing in a string type, sir. That's why, sir. I think.
Text dot search due to a string type. Text dot search user data. That is coming a string and this is already a string. Maybe whatever. Let's see now W. Okay, it's giving 0 or 1 or minus 1, but it's not given that value. I think some issue is there. Text dot search user data. Okay, let's go with the case insensitive. So how we can go with the case insensitive means we want to add regular expression. So pattern is this one and /I. Let's see. We got -1. Then again something. Why it's not working? Value is coming. 1 second. What it's saying? It's not.
Sir, start with V. Let's see it's come or not. V or I.
Yes.
So
Okay.
write W. So clear all and write W.
1 second. W. It's given -1.
Then it's not working.
Problem. No, problem is not that. Problem is before, without this case sensitive also, we getting that 0 or -1 when we are taking that value. But suppose if we checking in the user data record, 1 second, let's check in user data. Wait, it done something wrong, I think. Where is the W? W not came.
So
Okay.
space is coming extra, it's like starting.
Yeah, something like that. Let's where is that dot value user data dot trim. Will it work here? I think maybe it have to work. No. Wait. Change the event. We had done key press. Go with on change. Let's see what it going to do. It given s or -1. S is not there. Fine. I think this will work. Again giving W in case sensitive W. I don't know what is going on this one. Some problem when we getting the data from the user end. This is the issue. I will share this code. You can check what error is there. But means when we are collecting the data from the user, that time what problem is this one. Wait 1 second. I will get this line also. The problem in getting the data from the user side, that's it. Means we sure some mistake is going on this one, that is the thing. But how the regular expression is working, this I will check later.
Sir,
Also.
do one thing, sir. Sir, uncomment this. Sir, check with numbers. In place of visit the school, write 1, 2, 3. Let test in line of 11, sir.
Okay, let's see. It's giving
Hello.
actually -1. Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. It giving -1 actually. Means it's not finding. That is the thing. Means your something event not event is triggering. That's not the issue. Thing is problem. Let's see. But how regular expression is working? Regular expression is working like this way. Okay. This was the topic actually. We will come on that also. We will see. Is error we written here? Late visit user, late user data. Okay, this one. Let's see. Then late n equal to 1 second. Comment this line first. Okay. So if you, what is issue here? Syntax after argument missing colon. Which one? Text. Oh, this one. text. 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 Second. Something. Text dot search. Oh. Wait. Right S. We got S as to second position. Means it not getting that value, I think. Let's pass normal. Let it to be. We will search this later. But how we will start searching? With the help of regular expression. Here we will write the value in whatever search we want, and after that we will pass the I, G, this all things. This is comes under the regular expression. So what is the meaning of I? I means in case sensitive. Okay. I means in case sensitive, means when the character like lower or upper will not depend, that time we will go with this one. Now pass to W, and let's see, W we had passed, this is a small letter, okay, but then also it worked fine. Let's pass a capital W, okay, let's see. So it given 6, same position. So same thing we want through the user end actually, means when you passing any data, suppose we had passed V, what is the position of V? It's a starting position, okay, it given 0. We had passed capital letter, now we searching for the small letter, pass this value, we got 0. Go with the next one, I search, it will be at first position, correct. Means what we trying to do, we are now hard coding the value I, V, whatever you searching, but I not want like this, I want from the user end. So that's why we had written this line of code, okay. For same thing here, we are hard coding the value. One time just check through the code where we had written mistake, this will be made, means some variable issue, that's it, okay. So okay, so it will give you from the starting position, means from where the character getting a starting, it returning the starting position, okay. Next, so go to the next one, where is that? Yeah, so I become the in case sensitive, fine. Second method, search the with the regular expression, we already seen passing I. Next, using a string replace with a string, means be going to search and replace, that be going to perform. So already we know this one. See, this is just in this, what is unique or a special topic, a regular expression, okay, not the string method and those. So we will not discuss how replace and this that, what is the first one, what is second, I will not discuss that thing, because we had already discussed in the regular expression, sorry, in a string method case. So now what it will do, what will be the output in this case, what will be output? So once it will take the value, means visit Microsoft is there, it will take the value visit Microsoft dot replace, it will replace. So first one, it will search the value Microsoft is there or not, if that is there, it will replace with W3 schools, correct. So let's search the output. So what output we got? Visit W3 school, means what happened, it replace this value, means Microsoft in our text with the W3 school. Same thing happening where, in this condition, control F. When you are doing control F, what we are getting? We are getting two columns. See, one is for finding purpose, second is for the replace purpose. Okay, so in find we have to pass what you want to search, like here W3, sorry, software is Microsoft is there, so we will search here Microsoft. Okay, so how many time Microsoft came? 3 recorded, total 5 record, 3 out of 5 now at the third position. And what I want to replace with W3 school. So let's say pass this one. So like this way we have to make that a small application. You can tell that you can make one application with this, you can replace the data. Okay, so which method it's working? It working for the string replace method, and with the help of that br. But now the problem is that suppose you had start searching Microsoft, and which is written in capital letter. Suppose that it is starting from the capital letter, but in our record database, this is not with the capital letter, I have some small letter. One second, I think maybe we got here also. Yeah, so here we getting the 2 record of Microsoft, but what I want, I not want this capital M, we want a small m. Let's see. So we got the record, so 2 record now also it's showing. See that 2 record, because it's searching with the regular expression. So how to stop this regular expression? See that symbol is there, match case. What is this one? Match whole word. Okay, so if you want that a specific word, means a small letter should be, you can disable, means you can enable this one, and now search. How much record is there? No record, because we had stopped that search only a specific whatever I had passed. Okay, so how to disable this option? You can disable this with the help of I, means you can pass the I dynamically. So if you passing the I dynamically, means what you can do, you can make one mini project type. Wait, I showing you. So what you will do, you will make one mini project type, okay, where input field will be there for the searching purpose. Here you will enter the record, enter search data. This you will pass here, and after that, what you will do? Okay, here we will pass enter search data. And once we had got the data, some record, whatever, if we passed here one, something, okay, and once you pass the data, automatic your result will come. Means in the bottom you will display the record. How you will display? You will store some data like a string. We had written visit W3 schools or something like that. So you can store it like that way. You can store in array also. Okay, array, object, anything you can store. Next, what you will do? You will add here some button. Okay, one button. You can store 2-3 button. You can try. It will take time, but you will get. So first option, without case. Wait, don't drag this. Case match. First option is case match. Means when you will click this one, case match, you can get the record something with the depending on the case one, whether case sensitive or not, like that. Second will be, we will learn next option. So second you will pass that also. Like suppose if we go on the search one, here what we had done, we had searched for Microsoft. Okay, we had enabled this case one, match case. Now if you will unenable, means disable, then see we got 2 record, but if you clicking, we getting no record. Okay, next, I not want something like this, I want the exact match. Okay, you can go with the second one. See this. But when you had passed this match whole word, means the complete Microsoft is written, this word it's searching. So how it's searching? When we are enabling or disabling this one. Okay, so we can enable or disable. And something is there, a star. This is use regular expression, means same thing it will. Okay, so like this different we will look over that. So you can add like this way and you can get the result. Suppose in the registration page, student record, we had stored the data. Now we want to search the record. Okay, so how you will get, means how you will search? So with the help of regular expression, we can use that one. Okay, so you have to make like this one. So if you want, you can take the picture of this. Otherwise, wait, I will share you. And now we will cover somewhat topic in that. What are the regular expression we are using? Try to use that in this case. Then you will get idea that regarding the how to use regular expression. I shared, I think. Okay, now come to the topic. So what we was doing, we were searching and replacing. But see here, regular expression argument instead of a string argument can be used in the method above. Okay, regular expression can make your search much more powerful. Case insensitive, for example, means we are telling that you have to search only this much which we are passing, like that. Next, you can see here. So this is the regular expression. Okay, now different means parameters are there which you can pass there. Suppose you want for the case insensitive, you can go with the I. Second, I want the globally search, means complete document. Okay, you can go with the /G. Already we had seen in the string method. So /G is for the global match, for finding all the matches completely. Okay, where is that? /I for global match. Second, M is for perform multi-line matching. Okay, if you want, you can wait. So what it will do? So what it's doing? It's taken text dot match, and after that match, text is this one. Okay, they had passed slash or something. After that, what they had passed, this passed some value here, and after that /m. /m is the regular expression, and what it will do? It will do multi search for each is at the beginning of each line in a straight one. Okay, suppose what it will do actually /n will break the line into two line, next line. Okay, so it will search is in complete line. Suppose like this. Wait, right here something h1. See, in this you have to learn how to write the regular expression. This is the thing. I have a pen. So this become two line. So with the help of multi search, what it will do? It will search for the is in which one? In both line at the starting time itself. Okay, at the beginning of each line. See, at the beginning of each line, it will search whether is there or not. Got it? And you got some idea that what /m will work. So if we want all three like /m also, so we can pass in our regular expression itself this one. Just 1 second and comment. Yeah. So /n is the text dot search. Oh. Okay. /I is there. I want a regular expression with the that multi-line. So pass here m and then it will work. And if we want a globally search also, pass G also. But okay, can we pass like this type or this type? What are you thinking? So see, this one not working. So we have not to pass like this. Once you given this slash, means whatever text we had given inside this, after that you can go with all the regular expression. Here you can write simultaneously. I want multi-line, you will go with the M. I want a globally search, I will go with this one. We had already /I and G we had seen in the array case, and a string also we had seen. If you want more, you can try that with the help of array, make that array and manipulate the data. Next is regular expression. Bracket is used to find a range of characters. Okay, if we want to search some characters, so we can use with the bracket one, and inside the bracket we can pass. So let's see how it will do. So what we doing here? Okay, so we had written something, text is there, and then text, what we are doing, text dot match. Match is the string method. Okay, and inside this we had pass h. It will search for the h character and dash /g. /g means globally search. Okay, so see here, do a global search for the character h in a string. If we want to match the correct character one, we can go with this type. We can pass inside the bracket. Okay, and now check the result. What are you thinking? We will get output or not? Am I audible or not? So let's see result. Okay, so what happened? What we got? We got 2 times that h. Where is that? THIS, this means one h is there and one h is there. In one is in this and one is on the inside the there. But I want, wait 1 second, right here capital letter. Now tell me how we will search. We will get how much record? We got only one record, but I want to get both record. How? What we will do?
Slash I, sir.
Slash I or directly I?
So directly I, sir, after G.
Yeah. So directly I we will pass because this we want case insensitive, means not depend on the case side. Let's save. So what we got? We got a 2 record. So with the help of this type, what you will do? You will pass that. Okay. Now go with that slash m also. Wait. Text equal to this one slash n. But okay. Slash n, and after that we want to search h. AVE have is something is this, but we don't know what is this one. But what it will do? It will search multi-line. Okay, let's save. Check that we got anything or not. So what it doing? It is searching for h first. Where? Globally. So we got that record. We got again in the globally case, then in case sensitive, then multi-line search. Let's remove this one. Let's save. What we got? We got the globally. Remove this also. Let's see what happened. What we got? We got h. Where? Index number 4. Input is this. All there is slash h group undefined, means it given the complete data, and where it's searching? It's searching here h first one. But I not want only first. I want completely all. Go with the I, means sorry, I will be case sensitive. I want all completely. Go with the G. We will got a complete h in the there. But this have to come 3 times. But B got only 2 times. Why? Because B was searching for a specific character. Go with the bracket. Let's see. We got 2 times. Okay.
Actually,
Pass
only
I.
in one line, sir.
Yeah, that is the thing. It says, yeah, now when we passed a case insensitive I, that time we got that third one also. But why this happened? Case insensitive, we directly it have to give. I think it's searching for one line or anything. Okay, let it to be. So this way we can search all the record. Means what we have to do as per our need, we have to go with different regular expression. As suppose you had done the student one, means you had done that application. Wait. We had designed the mini that student record. Okay, we are passing here. See, if you had not done this application, please do that, because we will use this application in Angular. We will use the data, means now we are storing the data in the database only. That time, means sorry, not in database, local storage. That time we will use the backend Node.js and MongoDB, and we will store the record. So please, if you had not done, be ready with your application. That time I will not tell that you have to complete. If you not done, let it to be left then. So we are storing the data name. Suppose that email is there. So email. Next, suppose that password. Let it to be password. Date of birth. DOB. Suppose we entered 3 things. Okay. And here we had passed something data also. RAMU Ramu. Email ID is something A at the rate A. Okay. Then date of birth 510 second. M at the rate M 5 10. So see what we want. We want to search the, means I had told to add one button for the sorting purpose. Correct? Here you have to add one button for the sorting purpose. That when you clicking this one, mostly when you will go through that design type, you will get for the sorting purpose this type of button, up and down arrow. What means this? This means that case insensitive, whether lower case will be top or upper case will be top, means anything like this up and down arrow type. So when you will click this complete design, means this is your one button. Okay, and when you clicking this button, that time your data have to sort in the sense, first will be alphabetical order. Okay, otherwise suppose that you have the record and you had added one section here, search the record, search a student or search your name. Because when you have, suppose that 2000 records and you want to get your record first, then what you will do? You will write here search. Okay, and when you entering the data, as suppose your name, if you are entering your name Ramu, if we entered our name and suddenly after entering, your record will be got reflected from the database or from the table. This record will be only available, not the Mohan record, because Ramu is there. So while searching, you have to take care that maybe user will enter any record, whether it's case sensitive or not, or maybe he done the mistake. Suppose you are unknown person and you gone to search and his name is Ramu, but he has not written in this way. He has written RAMUS. By mistake, he had done that RAMUS, and you searching exact name matching RAMU. Will you get? No. So that time what you will do? You will search the exact match. So exact match, and then where you will search? You will search in the global record, means a complete data. So which regular expression will work there? For searching complete data, means complete record. So /G, it will work. Next, suppose that user had passed Ramu, but Ramu he had passed in the small letter, and the record which is available in our database, that is RAMU, that is capital letter. So how you will search in respective of this case? Which regular expression we will work? So we will add I. Okay, so this all things you have to pass here itself. When user is passing the data, that time itself you have to get this one. Got it? When we will learn set timeout, get time, means set timeout, set interval, something in the upcoming session, then we will see that once you enter this one, automatic your data will pass. Let's do one thing. Wait, I showing you in the real scenario how this is working. Go with W3 school itself. Let's go with Google. Go with network tab of the application. See, this is most important when you will work with the data side. Actually, not only data side, when you will work with searching anything, that time it will be too useful. Suppose we want to search anything. Pass here A. What happened? We had got something. Icon came. Let it to be data. Something came. Header no. Okay. Do one thing. Wait. W3 school. Let's search and let's see what data came. So see that once we had passed W3 school, automatic this all data came. What they had done, they had searched that one. But while searching, maybe you will get somewhere. That's a query. See this one. What they had passed. Amazon Web Service W3 school. See in the Google search. What is there? Amazon Web Services W3 school. Same query they had passed. Okay. And after that, wherever this W means this query is matching not only this one, any word of this one, Amazon, then web service, then W3 school, anywhere anything came. See, our search was this one, AMAW, this one was gone as a search. Whenever you will search this anything, it will search in the complete database on the net and it will give the result. That's why we got the complete output. Go in the W3 school. Let's see. Search it there. Click this one. Everybody had added this, means this is search in their website, but they don't know what is the use of this one. Let's see. Let it to be load all the data first. Okay. Now we start searching. What we can HTML, pass HTML, and now click the button. Let's see what happened. Something came. See the query. This one is your query. This one means gone as a search because we had passed HTML. So query become HTML and this gone and it had a search where in the complete record. Okay, and wherever this text is matching, this word got match, it reflected the record. Got it? So this way actually we have to pass the data. This way you have to pass, means searching criteria you have to pass and then you will get the record. Just 1 second. Collect page view DL, find, yeah, see this line, find dex.php, then dhtml. These all record came, means when you passing the data, that time itself we are passing that query. Okay, so when we will work with the backend side, that time we will see that how we are doing all this activity. But yeah, now we have to know that how we are searching that with the hard coded value itself, and once it matched, you getting the result. Got it? So this is the useful, in this way we are using this regular expression. Got some idea or not? So there are many, means say regular expression are there. Not only this, there this is just a sample. That's it. Simple things are there. Okay. So if you have to search a digit 0, 1, 2, 0 to 9, find any of the digit between the bracket. You can pass within this one. X or Y. Find any of the alternative. Separate with Y. If we had passed A, B, C, D, we want anything alternative of this will be option. We want that. Suppose we had a search in Google W3 school. Suppose W3. Okay, we don't know what W3 will search, whether we will get our real search or anything. Let's see. So it will give wherever W3 it will get matched. Not only W3, even 3 will also get matched. That will also reflect. W will get matched. That will also get reflected. So all things we will get. Okay, and see that in URL. Where is that one? See this URL W3. Okay, so it taking the URL, means whatever you will pass, it will take there in URL search and it will pass as a query. Suppose A, B, C, D. Let's see. See this here. Query A, B, C, D. Whatever we had passed. Got it? So this way actually this query means this regular expression is helpful. This is searching the data and it reflecting, not is depending on the case whether you had passed. See that here we had passed a small letter, but then also the record which we got, this one ABCD capital letter. Check this in the other record anywhere available. ABCD, see that what is ABCD? Everywhere ABCD is there. Okay, see this ABCD is there. So see this all bold color. These all are came due to our search. Okay, so this way actually regular expression is helping. Whatever we want, we have to create that. /D, find a digit. /S, find a white space character. If you want to search white space, you can go with this. Then /B, find a match at the beginning of the word like B, W-O-R-D. B will be means a star B, sorry, slash B, it will start searching for the starting character. If B had passed W-O-R-D, it will start with the from there itself. Or at the end of the word like this. If you want to search, suppose B had written, this is my pen. Okay, this we want to search what at the beginning, this should be available. Means suppose we had copy and pasted 4 times and we want that starting this should be available. Take slash B and pass here which one, the text, whatever text is there. So what is there, pass this one THIS like this. It will give error because we not written the proper regular expression here, just sample, that's why. So we will search by like this way. Otherwise we want in the last, what you will do, we will pass THIS slash B. So it will search where, in the last line. So if it will search in the starting, it will get the record, but in the last it will not get any record. If you passed here, then it will get the record. But now the problem is that we start searching capital letter, small letter, matched. But here the record having only small letter. So you have to pass that case insensitive or case sensitive. So you have to pass that I also. Had you got some idea or not? Like this way, Unicode is there, then N plus something is there. You can check that using test. Means the main motto behind the regular expression is that how to add the regular expression, because regular expression itself is a very big topic. Okay, if you want more on regular expression, then you can go with that regular expression. One website is itself is there, official website, I think. Okay, otherwise you can go with MDN, and here you can get all the regular expression. What are the things what we are passing? Means you can create the object, new object, and take the data and pass that. So what you have to do, you have to do one assignment type which I given, that's this one, let it to be, but you have to do for the search one. Okay, means take the data from the user and I start searching that one. Means whatever user means whatever data user going to enter, that one you have to pass. Means you have to search and you have to reflect whether we got or not, like this. So this was the regular expression. Here this is just a sample type that how regular expression is working, and those if you want more you can go with that topic itself. Here also I think topic is there. Wait, let me check. But we're not covering because that's not important of my side more. But if you want more, you can go with that. This editor is opening actually. Let me stop recording.